You must first make a string of about 1 millimeter thickness out of Pardo silver or a mix of Pardo silver and Pardo platinum or Pardo mother of pearl. I do recommend Pardo over other clays because it's the perfect clay to create metal-like embellishments due to its qualities. The look is almost identical to precious metal clay. Use a toothpick to place thin streaks of bacon bond where your strings will go. Then place the strings. You don't have to make this exact design, but the idea is to put 2 to 3 strings together at the beginning, then have them come out of the bunch slightly curled. Make then small balls out of the silver clay. Ovalize the little balls and flatten them. Using your X-Acto knife, create veining like for a leaf. Place your leaves somewhere on the strings. Create 1 or 2 more leaves. Try not to make the pendant overcrowded by adding too many leaves. Last, add a single wild rose. Make small balls with the silver clay. You will need 6 petals and 1 more little ball for the center. Use again the toothpick to place a drop of bacon bond where your flower will be. Then use a ball stylus to flatten the balls into concave circles. Then place your petals all around, leaving a small circle in the middle uncovered. The last ball will go on top of that circle and cover it. Use a small ball stylus to create a depression in the center of the last small ball. Then place one single AB hotfix rhinestone in the center of the flower. Bake for 40 minutes at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it is baked and cooled, you might want to varnish it. I'm using here Cernit Super Glossy. This is a simple and elegant pendant, so it only needs a pinch bail. For this, use a hand drill to drill small holes where the pins of the pinch bail will go. Open the bail using your long nose pliers very slowly to avoid the bail breaking. Then, place the pinch bail pins in the holes you have pre-drilled. Use your long nose pliers to tighten the pinch bail. This type of pendant goes great with a very thin and delicate chain. You can also make two and make earrings.